Take command of the road in the 2013 Acura RDX. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, you'll be sure to appreciate this model's condition and value. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Acura prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a leather steering wheel, power moonroof, rear wipers, and seat memory. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Acura also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.